Hi, I'm Alan Knapp. One of the best ways, the most effective ways of closing sales is the personal touch. By personal touch, I mean calling your leads and talking to them on the phone, introducing yourself, explaining your program, explaining how it can help them, and answering their questions. It works. It's a great way to close sales. But some people are not into doing that type of thing, phone shy, or don't have the time or the inclination, and don't really want to invest in that. It's a good program, and I can give you access to training that will teach you exactly how to do that. It's called High Ticket Academy, and you'll see a link to that across your screen. But if you happen to be one of those who does not want to invest time in calling your leads, there is an alternative. We have access to a group of professionally trained marketers, callers, follow-up people who will call your leads and close sales for you. How about that? Close sales for you? How good can that, how much better can that get? Well, if you are interested in having professionally trained callers call your leads and close your sales for you, click on the link below and we'll give you more information on how you can have this happen for you, and it will, no guarantees, but this will in all likelihood exponentially raise your conversions and jumpstart your business. Click the link and find out about it. Be talking to you later. Thanks.